Hi guys, welcome back. We really hope that you liked our last Zara haul video. So today's video will be all about Mr. DIY haul, which is exactly like a Miniso store only but even more affordable. So let's get on to the video. The first things that we got are these cute little hairpins in different colors. So these two are for 35 rupees each, which is quite affordable, and these are neon in color, so these ones are for 43 rupees, which is again a very good deal for these pins. So this is how it looks like. I love how the way it pops out in your hair, and it's a worth buy. The second piece of item that we got are these fancy cute little pins. We got these for 57 rupees each, which is very good comparative to the quality that they are offering, and we get these kind of pins in around rupees 600 or 700 in H&M stores, which is quite high for these things. Let me show you how it looks like. I love how the way these pins look so fancy on your hair. It gives a touch of elegance and it's so good. I love it. These are worth investing on. The next piece of accessory that we got is this hair accessory, which is so beautiful, and it is priced at 170 rupees, which is quite good, and the quality is also very good, and it can be molded into different ways. It comes with its own hairpins, which is very easy to style on your hair. The next thing that we bought from the store is this very sexy black diary. It has black pages as well. This is my favorite buy. So I'm a kind of a person who enjoys their own company. So it is written enjoy the time being alone and starry sky, which I love the most. If you guys follow me on Instagram, so you guys might know that I love stargazing, and this is something which was worth investing on. It is for rupees 350, and along with this diary I got some neon pens. I'll be journaling down all my thoughts and all my ideas in this journal with the neon pens itself. So let me show you. So this is how it looks like with these pens, which is quite good. So I'm pretty excited to use this. I got one more journal which looks like this. It's a glitter journal. It has glitter cover and it has ruled pages, white pages only. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to use both of these. So both of these are priced at rupees 350, and which is quite good for journals like these. So this is my favorite pick. So next piece of accessory that we got is this tagged chain set. It has its own earrings and it is priced just for rupees 69. So we got two of these. One is for Ishani and the other one is for me. This one has a round pendant and this one has triangular. So this one is mine and the other one is Ishani's. So it is priced just for rupees 69, which is quite affordable for this piece. So we are in love with their accessories collection and can't wait to style these. So the next piece that we got is this reusable makeup remover. So it can be used twice before you wash it, and we again bought two of these. One is for Ishani and the other one is for me, and it is priced just for rupees 63, which is good again. So I personally love this makeup remover because it is so soft and so smooth on skin, and it removes your makeup really quick, and you can remove your makeup one day from this side and the next time from the other side, which is quite sustainable, and you won't also waste a lot of cotton and your money on it, and it is quite affordable for this pick. So let's move on to our next item. Next piece of items that we got are these cute little headbands, which we got them just for rupees 50, which is comparatively very low to the cost that we get in Miniso, which is around 200 rupees. So I think for such pieces you guys should definitely go and check out the Mr. DIY store. You'll get so many good things, so many cute things, and you can just use them while removing your makeup, or maybe while going out, or maybe wear it with a cute little outfit. So yeah. So guys, the next thing that we got are these two hair accessories. One is this fancy little scrunchie, which is just for rupees 35, which is quite good. And this bow hairpin, which is just for rupees 50. I love the fabric. It is satin. So yeah, let me show you how these both looks like on your hair. I love the way it makes your look super cute and chic at the same time. The next thing that we got is this travel bottle and two lens cases, which is very travel friendly. It is very compact and you can just put your solution in this. So if you guys know me, you guys might know that I am a big lover of colored lenses. So yeah, and it is priced just for rupees 45, which is quite affordable, and it is so cute. I love the color. It is baby pink in color and travel friendly. That's the best part. So guys, the next thing that we bought is this pair of bun maker along with this rubber band, which has this bow, satin bow details. So we got two pairs. One pair is with me and the other one is with Ishani, and we got it for rupees 200, like the two pairs. So I love how it looks on your hair. I love how it amps up your outfit, your basic outfit, with just little cute rubber bands. So guys, the next thing that we got is this hair finishing cream. It can be used, you know, to fix your broken hair or maybe to style your hair if you have some baby hair. So it can be, you know, easily hidden if you apply it. So we got this piece just for rupees 125, which is quite good, and I think it's a great pick if you love styling your hair and if you have some baby hair like me. So it really helps a lot. That was the last piece for this Mr. DIY haul video. I just cannot wait for you guys to visit your nearest Mr. DIY store and pick some great things for yourself at some really affordable prices. So yeah, let us know how you guys like the video, or if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Also let us know what you guys want to see next. We would definitely be preparing those videos for you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So that's about it. Bye.